Coloring pages are making tons of money on Etsy. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you how easy it is to create your own coloring pages from scratch. I would also be showing you how to package it, how to put everything together so you can sell on Etsy, on Amazon KDP, or even as a physical coloring book. The most important thing is this: coloring books or coloring pages are making lots of money online. They are making tons of money on any digital marketplace that you can think of. So, coloring pages are making tons of money on Etsy. Okay, I am showing you on Etsy. This is a proof that if people are searching for this product on Etsy, then best believe that this is a trending product and it is in demand, whether on Etsy or outside Etsy. Today, I am going to be showing you how to create mandala coloring book from scratch. This is one product that is trending and always on demand for obvious reason. It is beautiful, it is relaxing to color, and you can imagine what goes through your mind when working with beautiful mandala pieces. Okay, mandala coloring books and mandala coloring pages are always in demand, and this is your proof. Look at this. Look at all this. These are different designs, different mandala designs, and they are trending. When I tell you they are trending, believe me. Look at this product. This is a digital mandala coloring book. Okay, see this: 5 in basket. 5 people are going to be buying this product, and it is selling fast. Let me show you another one. People are searching for it. Look at this beautiful mandala coloring book. 14 in basket. This is your sign that mandala coloring books or mandala coloring pages is in demand. So let's get right into it. To create this, as usual, I am going to be using my AI toolkit. All I need to do is grab the mandalas coloring prompt pack that is included in the toolkit. This prompt pack contains 50 prompts. So I am going to take it, okay, and put it into my AI. I am using ChatGPT to create my coloring pages. You can take this prompt and put it on whatever AI tool you are using. The most important thing is that you don't have to think about how to write your prompts to create beautiful mandala pieces. You don't have to waste your time and resources because image generation costs money, right? You don't have to start taking your chances because you have everything set and ready for you to start creating. All I did is go to this prompt bank with over 500 prompts, and then I picked the mandalas coloring pages prompt pack. And then next step is put it in AI, and this is what has been generated. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see? Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful images. And I generated 50 of these images, 50 mandala images. You can tell it is also nature inspired. So think of birds and flowers and trees, right? And anything nature. Oh, this is beautiful. Imagine coloring this piece. Oh, this is so beautiful. In few minutes, image has been generated. Next step is to convert this image into a PDF file. Just like previous videos, the process is this: generate the images using the prompt pack that is in the AI toolkits. After generating the images, we're going to then convert the images into a PDF file. After converting this into a PDF file, then we have our digital product that will be ready to sell. Okay, because when you are selling digital products, you want to convert it into a PDF file in most cases, especially for products like this. What you'll be sending is a PDF file. It is then up to you to decide if you want to sell it in multiple sizes, which is very easy to do, or if you want to give in one size. I usually tell my students to offer 2 sizes, the A4 size and the US letter size. After converting these images into a PDF file, the next step is to create our listing photo or our product photo that will be used to display our products. Just like you see here, all these are listing photos. Your listing photos should be able to tell the customer what they are getting. If you look at this product, you can see clearly that you're getting a mandalas coloring book and you will be getting 30 pages. Very clear. And that is what we'll be creating today. And I will be showing you how to create listing photo that sells. Usually you have 2 options. You can either create your listing photo using Canva or create it using AI. Today, I am going to be showing you what I have created. I have created one using AI, and I also created something with Canva, and I will be showing you what I have come up with. So remember, step one, grab your prompt pack so you don't have to think of prompts to write. Everything is figured out for you. Step two, generate your images. After the images have been generated, step three, convert your images into a PDF file. This is the file that you're going to be sending as a digital product to your customers. Step four is what? Create your listing photos. This can be done using Canva or ChatGPT, and I'll be showing you what to do. So now we are in the generating listing photos step. Okay. And this is it. This is what I have come up with. This is clearly created using AI. With the right prompts, AI can do a good job. I am very happy with this product. You can see clearly that it says exactly what I want it to say. It has, when you look at this product, you know exactly what this product is about. You know that this product contains 50 mandalas coloring pages. Okay. Clearly stated here 50 coloring pages. It has said who is perfect for. It has also said, what it is used for. And it has given an idea on, coloring ideas or options that you can color through it. I will be using this one. And then I created this one as an additional photo because on Etsy, you can upload up to 20 photos if you have to. It is not mandatory, it is not compulsory. If you have to, you can do that. So this one I created on Canva using my mockup templates. If you want the mockup templates, I will be linking it in the description. So you're going to go where you see other digital products, click on it, and you're going to be seeing mockup templates when you click on the link. Okay. So this was easily created using the mockup templates. In previous videos, I show how this is easy to do. All you need to do is drag your image into this and it just fits in directly. You don't have to do any adjustments because it is a mockup template. So this I created on Canva. This I generated using AI. You see these two options. I will be using both of them when listing the product because why not? So I have this one. I also have this one for the sake of variety. I also have this. I like to always add this as an additional information just to say, how many sizes and what this product is about. So clearly we have our listing photo because this is just what we need. Perfect. And then I am going to be downloading this. You download it as a PNG file from Canva. When you download it, it's going to save automatically on your device. Okay. And then we're ready to go. So next step, which is the last step, is to upload our product on Etsy. We have all we need to upload our product. Our product is literally ready, right? We have created 50 mandala coloring pages. That is what we're going to be offering for this product today. We have created our listing photo, our product listing photo. We have our PDF file. That's all you need. Next step is to list this product on Etsy. This is similar to how you would also be listing your product on whatever sales platform you are going to be selling on, because every sales platform wants you to write a title, wants you to upload your file or your product, and wants you to upload your product photos so that anybody buying the product will know exactly what your product is about. Now we're going to go to the last step, which is to list our product on Etsy. And I am going to be showing you exactly how to do that. For the purpose of this video, I will be showing you how to list your digital product on Etsy so that it is ready to sell. Welcome to Etsy. This is my Etsy. This is one of my Etsy store. And first thing first, this is the first process. Upload your photos. I have done that already. Okay. Upload your photos. Always make the photo with the most important information. Always make it your first photo because that is what the buyers will be seeing when they search for this product. So this is the first photo they will be seeing. Then we have this one, which is the photo I created using Canva. And then I have more information. It's called infographics, where you have graphics with information regarding your product. You can create this, more graphics regarding the product so they know how it works when they buy digital products. Then I have, something like this just to give an idea of what this product is about. You can add this or not. Then I added more images or photos. Same image, all I did was ask AI to color it, and it did. Same here. This is to give the buyer ideas of what your product would look like when they work on it or the beauty of your product. After all this is done, you can add more photos, by the way, and you can add videos. I have also shown in previous videos how to create videos from Canva. Very easy to do. All you need to do is just animate the image and you have a video. Save it as an MP4 file and you're good to go. So you can add your video. Next, write your title. I will say this over and over again. When you are writing your title, please ensure that your title is SEO optimized. And what does this mean? All it simply means is this: use words that people are searching for. So, mandala coloring book. People are searching for nature inspired mandala coloring pages. These are words that people are searching for. Stress relief and mindfulness. When you just put in stress relief and mindfulness, people are searching for this. I can also make this. Let me make this one sentence. So I'll just say printable PDF, stress relief and mindfulness printable PDF. This would work. So make sure you're using words that people are searching for. The next is to add your file. This is important. You want to make sure that your file is included. The good thing about Etsy, for example, is if you don't include your file, you cannot publish this product because it is going to bounce back, which is a very good way of helping buyers. Imagine selling a product without the product. However, you want to be sure that you are attaching the right file. And what I like to do is name the file to show the buyer the options. So I am offering US letter and A4 size. I have indicated it in the file so that they know what to print. File complete. Next is description. You want to ensure that your description is correctly written and also SEO optimized. This can be done using AI, so you don't have to sweat this, okay? Once you're satisfied, write your tags. Make sure that you have your tags nicely written thanks to AI. All the tool you need to start your small business from home, you have in this toolkit. Grab these toolkits. Take a chance on yourself. And by the way, that will be all. Once this is done, you have your titles, you have your file, you have your description, everything is done. Click publish and you're good to go. That's it. Your product, we just created a digital product for the day. As I was saying, this is the toolkit. Everything you need to start your coloring pages or coloring book business, you have it here. No fluffs. You have your step by step information. Everything you need is here. And the beautiful thing about this is that when you buy this product, which you can get in the description, you also get access to a private community where I offer once in a while occasional store audits. Okay. And then you get to share your concern, you get to ask your questions, and you can also share your wins. The point is, you get my attention, dedicated attention, where I get to, go through the process with you, answer your questions, and you might just get a store audit from me. But the beautiful thing is, you're not going to be doing this alone. You have a community that would support you. You can read from other people's experience. You can learn from other people's experience, and you can share your concerns, ask your questions, and we just support each other. So you have everything. You literally have all you need to start your business from home, your coloring book business from home. These coloring pages that we have made can be sold on Amazon KDP, can be sold as a physical product, can also be sold wherever you want, even if you do not have an Etsy store. It can be printed and sold to your community or given as a gift. It's fine. The point is, you have a skill, and coloring pages will never go out of business. You know why? Because people love to do that. I have a couple of coloring books. And guess what? My kids love coloring pages. It's something that will not go out of trend. So don't sleep on this. And let's say you are stuck, you don't know what to do, you don't know what to create. You have a prompt bank. In this prompt bank, just pick any of the prompts that you feel like creating. Then come on my YouTube videos, look through the lists that I am creating. I literally created a playlist, 30 digital products, ideas. There's a playlist dedicated to this series. Just go on it. Think of, oh, let's see what she made on day 7. Okay. Then go to the prompt pack, look for the prompts, start creating, because every prompt used to create these coloring books or coloring pages is in the prompt bank. So I say all this to say, run to the description below, grab these toolkits and start to create, because I have literally provided you with all you need, everything you need to make this happen. You have your prompts. You can generate the images because I have shown you how to do that. You have a community where you get to ask me more questions. That will be all for today. And if you have not subscribed, this is me saying to please subscribe to this channel so that when you subscribe, right, you are telling the algorithm that you're interested in informations like this. And then the algorithm will tell people like you who will then come and get value. So please, if you have not subscribed, remember to subscribe to this channel. Also remember to turn on your notification so that when I come online like today, or when I come live like today, you will be one of the first to know. One thing I can assure you is that on this channel, you will be getting value. That is one thing I stand for. So this is not some channel with fluff. You're getting value from this channel. Okay. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification so that when I come online, you'll be first to know. And if you have any question, I will be happy to answer your questions in the comment section. The AI toolkit, the coloring pages to profit AI toolkit is in the description. Click on the link in the description and grab your toolkit and happy creation. I will be seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching and bye for now.